Kasi Car Culture attended the launch of Kasi Road Safety in Soweto. Launched in 2015, Kasi Road Safety is an organization which, through the use of workshops, advocates for road safety and general obedience of traffic laws in the township. The aim of the launch was to introduce Kasi Road Safety to the public and other road and traffic stakeholders.
This event was obviously organized for the purpose of pre-launching Kasi Road Safety and ensuring that actually we as young people and the community at large, we adopt road safety as a lifestyle on a daily basis.
I used to be on the wrong side of the law most of the time as far as road safety is concerned. And I'm not proud of that.
I think this is an innovative approach to reaching out to a different kind of an audience, a predominantly youth audience, and to promote the idea of road safety. Our concern as the Department of Roads and Transport in Gauteng is that many people are actually ignoring the message. Whether it's the Arrive Alive campaign or Drive Safety campaign, etc. People sort of listen to it, but it's not seeping in. And what Kasi Road Safety is doing is, they're on the social media platform, Twitter, Facebook, etc., coming out with very interesting basic messages that I think that appeals to young people.
Kasi Road Safety, a perfect initiative that as community safety, Gauteng Traffic Police, we support. Our biggest challenge, Kasi, mentality, attitude of road users. Drivers out there are impatient. Pedestrians out there don't respect the rules of the road. That is indeed challenging.
In attendance were government representatives, motoring business people based in townships, as well as Kasi-based car and bike clubs. We asked members of these clubs what they dislike most about driving in the townships.
One thing I hate about driving in the streets of Kasi mainly are the potholes. I hate those because they damage my tires. And then the other thing I hate mainly is just driving with the taxi drivers because I always have to fight against them, but then we always find our way because we live in the area.
Here in the townships, this thing of cutting lanes without indicating, it's not on. You have to alert other drivers that you intend to overtake or to turn into that lane.
My pet dislike about driving for Kasi is, taxi drivers stopping anywhere and you coming, like the robot just open for you and then there's a taxi driver in front of you, it just stops anywhere.
Taxi drivers. However, not all taxi drivers are bad drivers.
But road safety is not all about pointing fingers. It's also about introspection and recognizing your own fault as a driver. This will allow you as a driver to consciously seek solutions on how you can improve and contribute to road safety.
The one thing for me that I'm guilty of and I'm trying to change it, with the performance cars, we're guilty of speed, overspeeding, but we're trying to keep that and addressing it in our club.
As a woman, I'll say, driving while you're looking at your own mirror, applying your lipstick, or it can be a mascara. I do that, and I need to stop it because it's dangerous, and I'm working on it.
I used to kind of like drive and chat, and then I saw this documentary where there was a great accident where someone was chatting and they were driving at the same time and they didn't make it alive. So what I do is when I get into my car, I switch my data off and then I put my phone on silent, and then when I get to work, then I return all my calls. So it's been a very hard mission. I'm not a perfect person, but I can say that I'm proud of myself that I've actually accomplished that.
With so many fatalities on our roads, Kasi Road Safety has been welcomed by drivers and pedestrians alike.
We have amongst them ambassadors of road safety.